Today's my crosswalk button experience at Broadway Avenue in Main Street.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
So as you can see, like, it's getting cold outside because I'm actually very freezing. Because usually, the reason why I'm doing my crosswalk button experience at Broadway Avenue and Main Street, so like I have to go way around, and yeah, I'm gonna show you different kinds of things. So right here, this is Parola APS crosswalk button. This is a Parola APS crosswalk button. So as you can see,
Broadway Avenue. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
So this 12, one right here looks like a Parola navigator.
9, 8.
This one's broken.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. So that is broken right there. So as you can see, this is broken.
Wait.
I did not hit that. Yeah, so that one, so this one's broken because usually somebody messed around with it. But yeah. So we'll be crossing Main Street next, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and cross Broadway. And yes, you see what happened? That sign, the Broadway sign, is hanging off from its own pole or something like that. But we'll be crossing Main Street 300 and 200, and I'm gonna be crossing Broadway second now. All right, let's cross.
Main Street, walk sign, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I'm so shivering right now because I'm very cold.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Broadway Avenue. Walk signs on to cross Broadway Avenue.
This one has like a 12-second countdown on this one.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Wait, traveling north.
So we'll be crossing north now because usually, the reason why I'm traveling north because it says Main Street 200 and 300. Oh, my phone's getting very bright. Sorry about that. I just hit my... Sorry about that.
Wait.
Here it is. Yeah, I have a lot of phone troubles on this one. So that one's not working. But no, this one works because basically when I press the button, does it chirp.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Wait, traveling north.
So we'll be crossing Main Street 200 and 300 now. And...
Wait.
Oh my gosh. I'm so freezing in here. It's very freezing outside. And I'm waiting for that traffic light over there to turn green. Not this traffic light, the one that is like traveling to Broadway. This, the traffic light in Main Street, is I'm gonna cross now.
Main Street. Walk sign is on to cross Main Street.
Alright. That's it, guys.